So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable always on participants video on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search for zoom.os. Right away after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that, you guys can be able to see an option which is known as My Account. Now just select this option to get on the profile page. Now on your left side guys, you can see this list of options. Now just select one of these options and that is settings option. Now guys, if you scroll down a little bit further, then you can see this participants video option right here. Now just switch off this button. And now guys, you have successfully disabled participants video on Zoom. So that's how you guys can be able to deactivate always on participants video on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.